Hello, my dear students. Hope all of you are doing well and maintaining good health. I am Dr. Smruti and I welcome you all to Etuson, Education for Better Tomorrow. It's a digital learning platform for Odia and English medium students. If you believe in quality education, then you are in the right platform. As in Etuson, we provide quality education which will definitely help you to build your career. Then what are you waiting for? Please download the eTuition app and enroll yourself so that you can avail all the facilities at your fingertips. So students, without wasting much time, let us start today's class. So today we are going to discuss the problems from exercise 6.1 of your chapter 6 of NCERT book. So are you all ready for that? So let us start. So exercise 6.1. So first question is filling the blanks using the correct word given in brackets. All circles are dash, whether it is congruent or similar. So what do you mean by congruent? It should be similar in shape and size. What do you mean by similar? Similar means like some condition has to be satisfied. It may not be of same size, but it is of same shape. So all circles are of the same shape, correct or not? So your answer is all circles are similar, correct? Now second way, all squares are similar or congruent. Definitely all squares are similar, right? All square may not be congruent because side may vary, right? But they are all similar. All dash triangles are similar, isosceles or equilateral. So equilateral, all the sides are equal. So you can consider all equilateral triangles are similar, or equilateral triangle are similar. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal, are dash, and their corresponding sides are dash. So their corresponding angles are equal. So these are the condition, if you remember in the last video you have discussed. So this is the condition for similarity. The angles must be equal and their corresponding sides are proportional, right? Corresponding sides are proportional. Do you remember that fraction what is called? That is called representative fraction. You remember or not? Okay, so this question number 1 is over. Now let us go to question number 2. Give two different examples of pair of similar figures and pair of non-similar figures. So pair of similar figures, if I'll consider pair of rectangles, having different different dimension. Pair of rectangle having different dimension, which are which are which are proportionate, right? Which are proportionate, right? Right. Similarly, pair of squares. Okay, pair of equilateral triangle, pair of equilateral triangles, then pair of circles. So you can take many, right? Pair of circles, etc. So these are some of the examples of similar figure. So what about non-similar figure? So non-similar figure you can take scalens. Scalens means the triangles whose all sides are not equal to each other. You can take isosceles triangle. You can take isosceles triangle, right? Then you can consider parallelogram and rectangle, right? Rectangle, but parallelogram, the angles should not be parallelogram not having angle as 90 degree. Let me mention, not having angle as 90 degree. So these are some of the examples of non-similar figures. Correct. So now let us go to the next question. State whether the following quadrilateral are similar or not. So what are the conditions for similarity? First, the angles should be equal, adjacent angles should be equal, and the sides should be proportional, that representative fraction. Let us check one after the other, the two condition. First condition, that the angles should be equal. So just check the angles over here. So here in the figure number 2, so let us name it one. This is 2 and this is 1. In figure number 2, as you can see, all the angles are 90 degree, whereas in this, so it is the angles are not 90 degree. So rather it's a square and it's a rhombus. Although the sides are proportionate, because here, as you can see, here all the sides are 1.5 and here all the sides are 3 centimeter, which is just double the size of each side. Although one condition is satisfied, but the other condition is not satisfied, that is angles are not equal. The quadrilaterals are not similar. Correct. So the quadrilaterals are not similar. Okay, children. uh, okay, so with this we have come to the end of the exercise. Thank you so much. It was a very short one. So keep practicing and download the Etuson app. Follow us in Instagram, Twitter and YouTube, and don't forget to download the Etuson app. Take care of yourself and keep practicing.